What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the messenger notifications not working issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open and close the messenger app 2 to 3 times. So open the app, then tap on this recent key and then close the app. Do it 2 to 3 times and after that the messenger notifications will start working. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration, tap on do not disturb, and here you will see a do not disturb button on the top. So if you have enabled do not disturb, then you will not be able to receive any reminder for incoming calls and notifications. So to receive the messenger notifications, tap on this button to turn it off. Now after turning off this button, the messenger notifications will start working properly. Now after turning off do not disturb, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button, swipe down this circle and release your finger to restart, and restarting will fix the messenger notifications not working issue. So that's how you can fix the messenger notifications not working issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.